at Le Petit Chef right now, getting ready for our dining experience. And we were just given our menu.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome you to How to Become the World's Greatest Chef. Created by Skullmapping, please silence your phone so as not to disturb the other guests. And now, without further ado, allow me to introduce to you, all the way from France, measuring 6 centimeters, the world's smallest chef, Le Petit Chef.
Bonjour. Mon Dieu. There's always one bad apple who still hasn't figured out how to silence their phone. Encore une fois. Oh, oops, c'est moi. What are you looking at? It's not my fault that I'm so popular. Let's see. It says, how can I become such a master chef like yourself? Flattering. Honestly, I get this question like a million times. To put this to bed once and for all, let me 4 tips on how to become a great chef. Even if you don't know how to cook an egg, by the end of this dinner, probably you will still not be able to cook an egg. What do you expect? I'm not a miracle worker. But I'm sure if you pay attention, you'll learn a thing or two. Or at least you'll be able to make an interesting picture for your Instagram. Hashtag most amazing dinner of my life. Hashtag Petit Chef is so cute. Okay, without further tomatoes came for what today is known as Peru. From there, they eventually expanded to Mexico, where they were cultivated by the Aztecs. The Aztecs created some chinampas, which were floating gardens around their capital city Tenochtitlan. In the 16th century, the Aztec king at first believed Cortés was the returning Quetzalcoatl, the feathered serpent god. When they sailed back to Europe, Cortés took tomato seeds with him. Finally, in the 19th century, an Italian chef created a pizza to celebrate the visit of Queen Margherita to Naples. White, the mozzarella cheese, and green, the basic topping. And so the pizza margherita was born. On a side note, we, the French, were convinced that tomatoes had powerful romantic qualities. Deeply in love this evening. Don't forget to invite me to your wedding. Bon appetit. Colors and text to evoke emotion. I consider the plate as if it is a blank canvas. 1, 2, 3. I remember when I started cooking, I was really inspired by the Dutch painter Van Gogh. I loved so much how he used big strokes of color. Then I discovered the Spanish artist Pablo Picasso, and I decided I wanted to become a gifted chef. Yeah. The Dutch painter Mondrian. Yeah. Oh, look at that, so neat and tight. Not to release stress, so I don't need to pay to go to a therapist. Oops. Although it was so much fun to create my dishes like this, I got tired of cleaning up all this mess every evening, and it was costing me a fortune to clean. Next, I don't know what I was thinking at the time, but then I wanted to give my guests the idea that they are dining in a dream. Inspired by the great Salvador Dali. through a metaphysical phase and started to be all philosophical and asked myself, what is the deal? After this, I had the idea to serve all my courses in soup can. 1 or 2, not 3, but 9 courses of soup. Soup as ambush bush, soup as appetizer, soup as main course. Finally, I discovered the most genius artist of the Marcel Duchamp. He took a bicycle wheel, yes, you heard me right, color and composition. Let me present to you tonight's dish, inspired by the great Russian Vasily Kandinsky. Family. If I only think about the smell of a short trip, I'm immediately transported back into time to the long vacations I used to spend at a summer house in the middle of the forest. Little bit of spice. Oh, fantastique! Bien, petit chef. Okay, ready? Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
Ready? Ah, bonjour Charlotte. Oh, mais c'est my friend. Viens, dis bonjour. Bonjour. Merci. Oh. Bravo. Bonjour mes amis. Wow. Viens mon chéri. Ready? C'est parti. Un, deux, trois, et voilà. Bon appétit.
Thank you, sir. Looks excellent.
Oh no, dude. Holy. Hope you're hungry.
Yep. This has been very fun.
I don't need to talk. I know what we bought.
Used when I was still little. To tell you the truth, I'm actually a bit nervous for the next lesson. Become a chef. Become a renowned chef. As a chef, you need to come up with new dishes. Just make sure they are delicious and super nutritious, so you'll get overwhelmed with all the flavors. Flame the steak for extra taste, but keep your distance to prepare. If the meat is overcooked, you'll end up washing dishes. Become wicked and spicy, and cooking fries in oil, and baking, grilling, spicing. Don't forget to use this oil to become a chef. Fresh food, fresh prepared, stir more fish, stir more steak. A good meat is not complete if you forget something sweet. Sour, bitter, salty. Don't forget about umami. Always keep the spoon close by so you can try. Sacre bleu, déglacé, au débat, au docteur. Oh, it helps to speak some French when you are cooking. Learn to whisk up the cream so you can pursue your dream to become a chef. Just because there was an air in the soup doesn't mean your bones were good. Allez, soufflez, you must go all the way. Every morning, every evening, so your customers will say, such a pepper. Eat the spice, a bit of chili would be nice. Just watch out, your guest mouth on the fire. Cut the head on the fish before serving it on the dish. If you blink with this knife, you are sure to lose your fight. And when you start improving, your guests will be amazed. So cool, it's my food. That's how you learn to be a chef. risk. Add some flair to the meals that you prepare. And together with your team, you move closer to your dream. No worries about failing, we'll help you learn new skills like hosting and boiling and steering, playing, writing down, speaking. Only think about the flavor, and you know you go far when you get that last on top, and you are a chef.
Strawberry Napoleon.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chocolate. Thank you so much. Very strawberry, very.
Going the strawberry part.
This isn't airspeed, is it?
That's you.
Solid. Good.
Really good.
Chers mesdames et messieurs, after intensive deliberations, the jury has come to a conclusion. It is my honor to inform you that you have graduated from Petit Chef University with great distinction. Let me present to you your official degree. Don't bother, you can now call yourself a super chef. As with any degree, it's just a piece of paper with no use whatsoever in the real world. But it does look nice once framed and put on the wall of your office. Now my pupils, go into the world and spread my wisdom and make me the most famous chef in the world by posting pictures and videos of this experience online. Adieu et au revoir. Petit chef for president!
Au revoir.